Hello everybody, I just got done walking down our lane here from up on top where I was doing the video on an update on the new compost piles. I'm now at the end of our lane here next to the road, and I just wanted to show you what we started as our project yesterday, is cleaning up all the brush along the road here. And that both Doro and Andoy were here helping in that, and we've got piles of brush here. What we'll do is take out all the sticks, the branches, and the stuff that really won't decompose, and add the rest, the green stuff, chop it up, and of course you know what I do, I add it to my compost piles here. There is a fence here that is down. All the wires are down on the ground here, and we really need to get that back up. I've really avoided getting at this, but we seem to be caught up on everything else here at the farm. And you can see, looking across the mango field there and our compost rows that we had a video of yesterday, all the way down the road. And then coming up the other side here, we're also cleaning that up to Tom's property line here. So it just helps doing that here, and of course it always gives us some more green stuff in order to be able to. So it's before the time when Dora's going to be here, so I thought I'd just quickly come down here and kind of show you what our project probably for most of the rest of the day here will be. Cleaning this up and then seeing what we've got to do to get the fence back up. So it'll be another one of those days. Had a considerable amount of rain last night, a lot more than I thought. I'd woke up a couple of times and heard it raining, but apparently because the water came up almost 6 inches in our well, which as you can see is at the bottom down here, just right above the bean fields that are in our rice fields here. So now I have 30 inches of water in there, which is an indication that we've gotten quite a bit of rain. And as I pan across the mango field by the road here, of course, and then you can see the new rows of coffee trees that we have. So this again helped me bring you up to date. I'm going to be heading back up to the house here, see if I can load this up and get it on YouTube, and hopefully some more viewing for all of our guests there and all of our viewers on YouTube. So like and subscribe. Thank you very much for viewing.